Hi again. So now we're going to be discussing types of pen tests and explaining them. So I know we previously talked about what a pen test exactly is, and when you should consider performing one. But how do you know which one is applicable to you? And how many options are there? So let's discuss. All pen tests aren't created equally. So whether you're focusing on security or compliance, pen tests can be tailored to fit your needs. Ultimately, you want to decide what makes the most sense for your organization. Maybe there are specific vulnerabilities you want to test against, or maybe you need to validate specific security controls against associated with regulatory compliance requirements. There are also various types of pen tests that can be applied, so ranging from web application to wireless testing. So no matter how you're storing your data or what your assets look like, you have the capability to strengthen your organization's security defense against potential cyber threats and malicious actors on all external and internal systems. So why does the type matter? Understanding the types of a penetration test does in fact matter. Each type targets specific parts of an organization's infrastructure and addresses unique security concerns. So by knowing the value of each pen test, organizations can ensure they are protected across all parts of their digital infrastructure. So that being said, let's get into some of the types of pen tests. So breaking down the specific ones, web app and API. Web app is one of the more common ones, evaluating the infrastructure and security flaws and misconfigurations. Then next, we have external network. We're evaluating the perimeter systems, which means testing what is publicly accessible and can be directly reached from the internet. So these are your most exposed systems. We want to definitely identify how an attacker could target those. Internal network. So for this testing, we're simulating an attack where an attacker employee has already gotten an initial foothold within your network. And then the next phase they would incur would be to evaluate privileges. Cloud, we're assessing cloud-based applications and infrastructure, improving visibility to business risk. Mobile, testing iOS or Android for resistance to various attacks. Wireless or Wi-Fi pen tests, we could identify and examine the connections between devices and corporate Wi-Fi. And these are not just all pen tests. There are a few others. One of them is social engineering, but the ones that we have listed here are the ones that are most prevalent and common. Thanks so much.